Blind man. See this? There go the entry right there. See it drop for all of those days. You don't see no candles. You don't see anything. From here to here, just know that that's a lot of pips. Okay, before that, it was from here to here. And if you would have been watching, you could have got out up here somewhere. Look at this move from here to here. Here to here. From there to there. It's a lot of pips. From here to here, that's a lot of pips. Let's go back. See this? This would have been your last trade. Look, this is the trade before that. This is the trade before that. This is the trade before that. This is a little loss right here, but this is a win. This is a big win. Win. This was a little loss, just say. Win, 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 win. It's a loss up here. Win, win, win. It's a little mumbo jumbo, so we'll take this, just say 2 losing trades out of this. Win, win. We're going to get this 3 losing trades right here. Win, win. We're going to get this 4 losing trades. Another win, another win, another win, another win. We're going to get this one a loss. Another loss, win. We're going to get this a loss. Big win. This was really nothing. Win, win, win. It's a break even, let's just say. Win. I'll say this is a break even. Win, win, win. Say this is a break even. Win, win, win. We're going to get us a break even. Win, win. Little wins right here. We'll get us a loss. Win, win. Let's get these 2 losses. Win. 3 losses, win, win, win. We'll get us all break even. 2 losses, win. 1 loss, win. We'll get us a loss. Win, win. We'll get us a loss. Win, win. You see it like this, one of these losses. So that's a loss, that's a loss. That's a win. That's a loss. Win. Win. Will get us a loss. Win. 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 Break even. Win. Will get us a loss. Win. We'll get win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We give 3 losses here. Big win. Win. As you can see, it was way more wins than losses. And there's absolutely no candles. Ultimate Trading House, Blind Man.